Hi, I'm Sean.
Sonya.
Death does not scare me, save John cemetery.
Your boxes are everywhere.
No, I'm sorry.
So, I have to go out for a few hours.
Where are you going?
I've got a meeting with my accountant.
You have an accountant?
Yeah. I'll see you later.
Okay then.
What are you doing? The doctor said you need to rest.
Doctor?
The doctor was here, don't you remember? I found you unconscious on the kitchen floor. You fainted.
I've never fainted before.
It's probably because you didn't eat or drink anything.
I passed out because I didn't eat.
Yeah, pretty much.
And the doctor?
What about him?
What did he say?
Oh, he said you'll be fine, but you need to rest.
Sean? Hun? Is that you?
What's wrong?
There's someone in there.
I just looked everywhere. There's no one.
I saw someone running into that room.
But there was no one.
A person can't just disappear.
Are you sure you...
I know what I saw.
Okay. I'm just saying the doctor gave you some strong medication before. Maybe. I'm not saying I don't believe it, but are you sure you seen someone running in that room?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
Let's go to bed.
Shit.
What did I do?
You scared the shit out of me.
I'm sorry. I need to grab something from the store. Do you want to come with me? Or are you going to survive by yourself in the house for about an hour?
I'm all good. Mikaela Thompson. Missing since April the 9th, 2016. She was last seen on security footage entering and leaving the local store, but reportedly never made it home. No, it's okay. Shh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's okay. Shh.
What are you doing here?
What did you do?
Well, I mean this. She was a bad girl. Didn't want to be quiet. So I had to fix the problem.
Why are you doing that?
Good question. I was lonely. Working from home, had no friends. You think I wanted that? And I met my little bird. She was the first one. And that's when I become alive. Read it.
An international student missing. Laura Mikaela. An international student from Germany.
Do you know that Vogel means bird in German? Her mother used to call her Ducline. Hi, I'm Sean.